Jakom manyien mar riwruog Kifwa mochung'ne golo mwandu e wath ma Mombasa kone achiel kuom maino ma gidwa keto en neno ni mine kaachiel kod rowere imiyo thuolo matiyo e kambe matimo clearing and forwarding. Kane oloso Mombasa bang' donjo ayanga apis tok yiero mare, Jakom Frederick Olo koni nyaka sani kwan mine kod rowere manie sekta no ni piny ne kwan 15% gino ma odwa ni otimie lokruok. Moko kuom gigo mabende gikoni nyaka keti e tim en chuogo chike moyiedhi mabiro gayo jotich manie sekta no mar kedo gi mibadhi. Olo okawo thuolo no mayande ne omaki kod Roy Mwanthi e thuolo mar higni 5 mokalo.
I want to say that the industry that we also represent, it is really not fair to the youth and the women. Currently, we have less than 15% of companies that are licensed, the customs clearing agents, whose directors are women. We want to persuade the government through the Commissioner of Customs and Border Control that through our collaboration, we'll see and will ensure that more women and the youth are given opportunity to ensure that they also earn a living through being customs agents.
He will spearhead the industry to the next level. And his team, we expect him to steer clear in the industry and ensure there is efficient cargo clearance, ensure there is also enactment of our proposed Kenya Customs and Freight Forwarders Bill, ensure there is harmony within the partner PGS and all the stakeholders in the cargo clearance within the country and within all custom areas.